Man, you got into an explosion. With Blitz too? Striker, baby, it isn't a regular day if you or him aren't hurting yourselves.
Yeah. It's just my job, Capri. I ain't trying to get my ass set on fire.
Sorry.
Careful with that, will you?
I'm trying to be.
But thank you, though.
No problem.
Love you, darling.
Love you too. Why did you have to go all the way to Greed for a cup of coffee? We got a McDonald's just to walk away, Stronzo. At least their coffee isn't piss.
'Cause I can, Cap. Besides, I got to fuck up some greed ass. Next time you should come along. Oh, fuck.
Yeah, don't count on it, Blitz.